Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224-11106 from Accounting Class 22 MBA. Here I will explain the material about the influence of the psychology on decision. Okay, decision making is an inseparable part of human life. Every day, individuals make various decisions for simple choices like where to eat for lunch, to complete decisions such as financial investment or business strategies. However, decisions are not always rational or logic. Psychology reveals that the decision-making process is strongly influenced by various psychological factors such as perception, emotion, cognition, past experience, and cognitive biases. Understanding the psychological influence on decision-making is therefore essential in both personal and organizational contexts. Okay, next, cognitive process in decision-making. Generally, decision-making involves identifying a problem, gathering information, evaluating alternatives, and choosing the best option. In practice, however, this process is not always linear or rational. The human brain has limitations in processing complete information, a concept known as bounded rationality, introduced by Herbert Simon. This idea suggests that people tend to make good enough decisions rather than optional ones due to time, consistent limit information, and cognitive capacity. Okay, next, the role of emotion in decision making. Emotions play a significant role in how decisions are made. They can serve as a source of motivation but can also disturb objectivity. For instance, a person who is angry may make impulse decisions without considering the risks, while fear might cause someone to be overly continuous and miss out on opportunities. According to Antonia de Messier's thematic marker hypothesis, emotions act as body-based marker that guide decision-making based on past experience. Therefore, emotions are not merely distraction for rational thought, they are essential to it. Okay, next, the influence of bias and heuristic. Psychological bias often decision making. A common bias is confirmation bias, where individuals tend to see information that support their existing belief and ignore contradictory evidence. Another is the availability heuristic, where people judge the likelihood of an event based on how examples come to mind. For example, after hearing about plane crash, a person might feel like every talk statistic so it's the safest model of transportation. Thus, mental shortcuts may be efficient but often lead to error in judgment. Next, personality and decision-making styles. Each person has a different decision-making style influenced by their personality. Analytical individuals tend to be conscious to track, taking longer to digest. Introvert individuals may rely more on instincts and make decisions quickly. The big five personality traits are consistency, extroversion, agreeableness, and neutralness are associated with different decision patterns. For example, individuals with high neuroticism might experience more work and anxiety when making decisions. Okay, next, social and environmental influence. Decisions are shaped not only by internal factors but also by external ones such as social pressure, cultural norms, and environmental contexts. People often conform to group decisions known as groupthink, even when it contradicts their personal beliefs. As conformity experiment reveal how people adjust their opinions under group pressure. Another example is social proof, where individuals are more likely to follow decisions already made by the majority. Okay, next, decision making in organization. In business, and organizational setting, psychological dynamics strongly influence strategy decision. The behavior of leader, organization culture, and team dynamics shape decision outcome. One key concept is escalation of commitment, where individuals continue with a failing project because of the research and later investment. This is known as the sunk cost fallacy. Ideally, decisions should be based on current value and future potential, not past loss. Okay, next for practical implication in daily and professional life. Understanding the psychological impact on decision making and for many practical benefit in everyday life. Awareness of cognitive bias help individual pause and reflect before making choice. In professional context, it helps manager let team formula strategy and build policies that consider human behavior. Psychology reminds us that poor decisions are always caused by ignorance. Many are the result of unconscious psychological influence. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.